Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Flute Art with Macrame Elegance. Welcome! Today we are going to do two blooms with flowers, green leaves all around, or at least we're going to try. And this is our color palette we're going to try to use. I haven't used this before, so we'll just have to see. Starting with teal and cerulean blue. This is Ultramarine Violet by Golden. This is a mixture of 3/4 Amsterdam Quin Rose, which I love, 1/4 of Quinacridone Magenta, which I love, and Primary Element Mango Mamba. And then we have Golden's Quinacridone Magenta. I'm going to add on top just a little bit of our Unicorn Spit. This is Golden Gosling, and this is a custom color for the leaves. I don't remember what it is, but this is what we're going to try. Okay, let me get set up here. Our pillow paint that we're going to be using is PPG Multi-Pro. It was a little thick. I added just a little bit of GAC 800 to it and a little bit of water because it was just a little thick, I thought. Our cell activator will be Oxide Black by Amsterdam with Australian Floetrol. Okay, this just wants to go. This is a 14 by 14 on my spinner. It just fits perfect. It's like there's no moving it. All right. I think that's good. I hope it's good. All right, we're going to start making my, I'm going to start with, I want to know where to put my puddles, so my flowers. It's going to be here and here. So I'm not going to continue the rest of those. I just kind of, I want to make my my leaves. No, maybe I should. Yes, let's continue. This is our Ultramarine Violet by Golden. And this is our custom mixture of colors. And our Quinacridone Rose, Magenta, excuse me. With a little bit of this Unicorn Spit on top. What a name, right? Unicorn Spit. Okay, now I'm just going to leave that there right now while I make my leaves. I just needed to know where to, Okay, let's try that. Okay, where's my cell activator? Okay, let's do the leaves first. I got my new, the other one was so painted I couldn't turn it on anymore. Got my new one, world's smallest blow dryer on Amazon. let's go for it. Let's go for it. It's been a while since I've done these, so have mercy. Okay, let's see. Everything's kind of going to one side. My table is not really. Let that settle up. Ah, beautiful. All right. Well, I definitely don't want that big. There. Now I'm going to make the leaves. I'm going to take it from the green into it, like that. So it kind of blends the two together. It's looking pretty. Kind of whitish there, but all right, let's see. You know what I'll do about that? Nah, that didn't really add any color. Okay, let's see. I would like to get this blue to cover that white. Okay, now for the rest of the leaves. Now that's gonna probably all go off, which is good, and I'll just most of the green will come off. Well, this is a 14 by a square, so some of it will stay on. I usually do it on like a rectangle. And I will make some doodles here and there, just where I see opportunity. Okay. Okay, how we doing? Okay. Let's spin it out. Now I see the golden on here. I don't see it too much on here. Just to help it go off the edge. Beautiful. I'm gonna go this way just a little bit. Ooh, don't want to mess that up. See what I mean about the black? So much black. I'm gonna have to figure out how to do my little leaves a little better, because I really don't want, but as I stretch it out, well, let's see what I can do. What can I do? I don't want to ruin this now. See if I can take some of this green. Break it up a little bit. So it's not such dark. Now I do see some, see, I don't want that going off, but I still have to get some paint off. Just getting, hold on, I'm getting my finger into the paint, and then want to get some of that dark paint, black, that's on the leaf there off. Right here. Oh! La 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 la! Don't do that. I don't know if I like this. Okay, I have to be more gentle.